In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Sheets to Power BI. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection from your spreadsheet in the cloud to your Power BI report, ready for analysis and visuals. First, open Power BI Desktop and look at the Home tab. Click the Get Data button. This is your central hub for bringing information into Power BI, and it's where you'll find the connector we need. In the search box that appears, type Google Sheets. You'll see the Google Sheets connector listed. Click it, then click Connect. Power BI may prompt you to sign in so it can securely read your file. If that happens, use the Google account that has access to your sheet and continue. Next, Power BI will ask for the URL of the Google Sheet you want to connect. Go to your browser, open the spreadsheet you want to use, and copy the URL from the address bar. Paste that link into Power BI. A simple tip here: use the standard sheet URL and make sure it points to the correct file. If your sheet has multiple tabs, that's fine. The connection can see them, and you'll be able to choose what to work with in your usual workflow. Before you proceed, make sure your Google Sheets permissions are set correctly. The account you use in Power BI must have at least view access to the file. If the sheet is shared within your organization, confirm that your Power BI sign-in matches an account with access. If your team uses link sharing, ensure the link settings allow the connector to read it, following your organization's data policies. Getting permissions right avoids connection errors and ensures your data refreshes smoothly later. After you've entered the URL and confirmed permissions, Power BI will connect and read the sheet. You'll see the contents recognized as tables, which helps with clean, consistent data. From here, you're ready to continue with your normal process, previewing, shaping, and building visuals as you prefer. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Keep your Google Sheet structured, like a table with clear headers in the first row and consistent data types in each column. Avoid blank header cells or merged cells, as they can confuse the schema. When you update the sheet, Power BI can refresh to pull the latest data so your reports stay current. And there you go. That's all it takes to connect a Google Sheet to Power BI. Click Get Data, choose Google Sheets, connect, paste your sheet's URL, and ensure permissions are set correctly. You're ready to analyze your data with confidence.